Good evening, class 9, subject compulsory math, PLE model, capsule level exam model, final exam. You are practicing long and very long questions. They may not be according to the question number. So I have written question number 1, solve x square plus bx plus c. Exam मा यही question number 1 होइन, यो अब question number 13, 14, 15, 16 हुन सक्छ, but marks is 3 or 4. Solve x square plus bx plus c. It is called a quadratic equation. How to solve? Or यसलाई राइट साइडमा लाने, ax square plus bx equal minus c. or यसलाई 4a ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने. You can divide by a or multiply by 4a. 4a square x square plus 4abx equal minus 4ac. Multiplying both sides by 4a. Why 4a? 4a ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा पर्फेक्ट पनि हुन्छ र स्क्वायर पनि हुन्छ. 4 is perfect and 4 is square also. 4a ले मल्टिप्लाई गरे, यहाँ a नन पर्फेक्ट भएकोले change into the square form. 4a square x square is twice ax whole square plus twice a भनेको यो twice ax. 2 to the 4ax के बाहिर b, जति b छ b square राइट साइड पनि b square minus 4ac. Adding b square on both the sides. Why? If you add b square on the left side, you should add b square on the right side. A square plus twice a भनेको 2x, b भनेको b, 2 to the 4abx यो आउँछ. जति बाँकी रहेछ b square, a square plus twice b plus b square. Add b square on both sides to make equal. Or a square plus twice b plus b square, a plus b whole square. This one is b square minus 4ac. x square र x अब x को टर्ममा आयो. और स्क्वायर रुट हटाउने, twice ax plus b equal plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Taking the square root on both sides, square is removed, write plus minus and write under root, whole under root, because it is not a perfect square. यो perfect square होइन, b square मात्रै होइन, यो 4ac पनि छ. And plus minus, twice ax equal plus becomes minus, plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Therefore x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by twice a is the root of the equation. पहिला के गर्ने, x square plus bx equal minus c. c on the right side. Multiply both sides by 4a to make it perfect square and even. Perfect पनि बनाउने, even पनि बनाउने. 2ax whole square plus twice ab plus b square. Add b square on both sides. 2ax like a, b like b माने भने 2ax plus b whole square. Remove the square, right? Plus minus and root. Taking square root. यहाँ लेख्ने, taking square root. 2ax plus b becomes minus b. x. To find the value of x, 2a down. Therefore x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a is the root of the square. This equation is very important to solve the problem, to solve quadratic equation. Question number 1, class 9. Question number 1. But in the exam, it is not question number 1. Exam मा यो question number 1 नै भनेर आउँदैन. Question number 1 भनेको 1 2 3 very short question हो. यहाँ चाहिँ सजिलोको लागि भनेको. Question number 1. Question number 2, since you have to practice different types of questions, question टाइपमा चाहिँ हामीले question 2 मा चाहिँ यसलाई अलिकति ल्याउँछौँ. If A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, prove or verify that under root A plus B plus C into B plus C plus D equal under root AB under root BC plus under root CD. There may be plus minus also. यहाँ प्लस माइनस कहीँ भयो भने यता पनि हुन्छ र यो सोही अनुसार गर्ने. See how to solve. Before starting to solve, you have to know A, B, C, D are in continued proportion. How to write down A, B, C, D in continued proportion? Let A by B equal B by C equal C by D equal K. A by B, B by C, C by D equal K. यहाँबाट सोल्युसन गर्दा यो गिभन कन्डिसन अनुसार यो डाइरेक्ट गर्ने. Therefore क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा पछाडिबाट C इक्वल DK. हेरौँ C इक्वल DK, B इक्वल CK. Value of C is DK into K DK square. र A इक्वल यहाँ के हुन्छ A इक्वल BK. A equal cross multiplying BK. Value of B is DK square into K DK cube. Cross multiply A upon B, B upon C, C upon D. Continued banda A by B, B by C, because A, B, C, D are in continued proportion. Continued proportion भन्नाले नछोडिकिन जस्तो A by B equal C by D proportion only, but A by B, B by C, C by D. A, B, B, C, C, D यसरी लिने. मल्टिप्लाई क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा C equal DK, B equal CK, C DK into K DK square, A equal BK, B भनेको DK square into K DK cube. Our left side and right side. The value of left side is equal to value of right side. So right side, left hand side is under root A plus B plus C into B plus C plus D. Yo, put the values of A, B and C. What is the value of A? A DK cube, B DK square, C DK. Value of B DK square, C DK plus D. Values. Put the corresponding values of A, B and C. अब के गर्ने? DK cube, DK square, DK. Take DK common. Remaining is K square plus K plus 1. DK cube, K भनेपछि 3 मा 1 गर्नु K square, K plus 1. Here D common, K square plus K plus 1. अब आउँछ DK into D, D square K, K square plus K plus 1 whole square. इसको स्क्वायर रूट लेके जाएगा. D square को D, K root K on times K square plus K plus 1. Under root A plus B plus C into B plus C plus D. A, B. Put the values of A, B, C, B, C. Take DK common, K square plus K plus 1. D common, K square plus K plus 1. D into D, D square K square plus K plus 1. 2 times the whole square गर्ने. स्क्वायर रूट हटाउँदा D square को D, K को root K, अनि यो K square plus K plus 1 whole square and root हटाएर K square plus K plus 1. Remember left hand side को value यति आएको छ. What is the value of right hand side? Right hand side also यति नै आउनुपर्छ. Right hand side, can you remember? Under root AB, BC, CD. right hand side equal under root AB plus under root BC plus under root CD. अब यसलाई के गर्नु पर्यो? under root AB plus BC plus CD under root AB plus BC plus CD A dk cube into dk square B dk square into C dk plus C dk into D. अब यसलाई D into D D square k to the power 5 plus यसमा D square into k cube plus D square into k. Put the values of A, B, C and multiply accordingly. अब यसलाई D square into k 5 छ, यसलाई k 4 into k गर्ने, यसलाई इभन नम्बर बनाउने. D square k square into k. Here D square into k. 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3. Square. Square root हटाउँदा पावरलाई हाफ गर्ने. D square is D. K4 is k square into root k. D square को D, k square k root k plus D square को D root k. Take the square root of. जस्तो square root गर्दा यो square root suppose x to the power 16 छ भने x to the power 8. It is not x to the power 4. यो यसको ठिक just half हुन्छ. Remember square root. Take root k common or d root k common. D root k common लिँदा k square plus k plus 1 is there. Left hand side d root k into k square plus k plus 1. Right hand side is also d root k into k square plus k plus 1. Therefore left hand side equal right hand side verified लेख्नु हो. Left side को value right side value equal, therefore left side equal right side verified, not proved. Question number 1 finished, question number 2 finished. Now question number 3. The question number 3 is as follows. Question number 3 मा हामीले question number 3 मा एउटा हामीले के गर्छौं भन्दाखेरि अप्पर क्वार्टाइल पनि गर्न सक्छौं. Find upper quartile, find lower or first quartile and third or upper quartile. First quartile and third quartile of the following data. The data is as follows: x, f, x 15, 30, 50, 20, 40, 15, 7, 16, 6, 11 and 9. Just see the question. Find the lower or first quartile and third or upper quartile of the following data. X marks 15, 30, 50, 20, 40. Marks or number of students 7, 16, 6, 11 and 9. Just remember, the data is not in the ascending order. Always remember to find mean, mode, median, range, standard deviation, mean deviation. The data must be increasing or in the ascending order. Writing the data in the ascending order, first of all write x. After writing x, you have to write f, then cf. Data लाई यसरी लेख्ने. See, x, first of all ascending order 15, 15 go 7, after 15 20, 20 go यो सीधा मुनि हेर्ने 20 go 11, after 20 30, 30 16, after 30 40, 40 frequency 9, after then 50 frequency 6, 15 20 15 7, 20 11, 30 16, 40 9 and 50 go 6. अब CF गर्दा 7, 7 plus 11 18, 18 plus 16 34, 34 plus 9 43, 43 plus 6 49. What is the value of n? 49. n 49 of Q1 and Q3. First or lower quartile. What is the value? First quartile, size of n plus 1 by 4th item. Size of value of n 49 plus 1 by 4th item. 50 by 4 भनेको कति आउँछ 25 by 2 12.5th item. It is not continuous. 12.5 कहाँ पर्छ यहाँ पर्दैन यहाँ पर्छ just 20. It is 20 12.5. Q1 lies here 20 and third quartile. Third means upper quartile. Value of 3n plus 1 by 4th item. 3 n plus 1 by 4th को value 12.5 निकालिसकेको छ. Item 37.5th item. 37.5th item कहाँ पर्छ 37 हेरौँ यहाँ not यहाँनिर पर्छ 37. Q3 यहाँनिर पर्यो 40. This is 40. कसरी हेर्नु पर्यो therefore first quartile 20, third quartile is 40 answer. अब अप्सन म्याथ गर्दाखेरि इज कम्पलसरी म्याथ. अप्सन म्याथ गर्दा क्वार्टाइल डेभिएसन निकाल्नु पर्यो Q3 minus Q1 upon 2 हुन्छ. See how to solve the problem. Write the given data on the ascending order. 15 20 30 40 50. 15 goes 7, right? After 15 20 11, 30 16, 30 49 56. 7 plus 11 18, 18 plus 16 34, 34 plus 9 43, 43 plus 6 49. Total number 49. First quartile or lower quartile, which is 25%, is size of n plus 1 by 4th item. 49 plus 4 1 upon 4 12.5th item. 12.5th item lies in this 20. So 12.5th item is 20 here. And third quartile or upper quartile is value of 3n plus 1 by 4th item. 3 go 3 n plus 1 by 4th item value 12.5. Multiply 3 into 12.5 37.5th item. 37.5th item not yeah 40. So upper quartile or third quartile is 40, lower or first quartile is 20. यो डाटालाई increasing order or ascending order मा राख्नुपर्छ. What order? Ascending or increasing. नेपाली बढ्दो क्रम. ascending order बढ्दो क्रममा राख्ने र Q1 र Q3 निकाल्ने. Continuous data हो, individual data होइन डिस्क्रिट डाटामा n+1/4 आइटम 3 टाइम्स n+1/4 आइटम फर्मुला याद गर्ने n/4 लेख्यो भने मार्क्स 0 हुन्छ n+1/4 र अर्को Q3 3 ब्रैकेट n+1/4 आइटम फर्मुला मस्ट बी करेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 Another question is question number 4 trigonometry height and distance remember height and distance study the diagram and find out the value of x. First of all, you have to study the diagram and find out the value of x. I think you cannot see properly. I draw the diagram again for question number 4. Question number 4. Study the diagram and find x. The diagram is this. See, the diagram is as follows. See, ABCD, AB 10 meter, C tree is 50 meter, the person is here, angle of elevation is 30 degree. Study the diagram and find the value of x. Here, solution, the diagram is this, AD equal BC equal x. The distance between the tree and the person. Angle of elevation DAE equal 30 degree. Total height CE equal 50 meter. And how to find CD? CD equal AB equal 10 meter. Then ED. How to find ED? यो ED निकाल्दाखेरि के गर्नुपर्छ भने ED भनेको EC minus DC. EC total height 50, DC is 10, so it is 40 meter. यो कति आउनुभयो 40 आउनुभयो 40 meter. In triangle ADE, you can write tan 30 degree equal ED by AD. Value of tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. ED 40 meter. AD unknown. Or AD equal 40 root 3 meter. 40 root 3 is 1.732. multiply. What is the value of x? That is AD equal BC equal x equal 69.28 meter answer. The distance between the person and the tree is 69.28 meter. Study the diagram. AB is 10 meter, BC x meter, C 50 घटाउने माथिको 40 निकाल्ने 30 डिग्री tan 30 ED by AD P by B 1 by root 3 40 by AD cross multiply AD equal 40 root 3 40 into 1.732 69.28 meter answer. Question number 4. Question number 5, last question for today is prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Here it is theoretically prove गर्नुपर्छ parallelogram of a diagonal bisect each other. What is the given condition? The given condition, this is the question, and the given condition figure आफै बनाउनुपर्छ. What is given? The diagonals of a parallelogram. So make a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Diagonals. See, what is the given condition? A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Diagonals AC and BD meet at O. Meet मात्रै. To prove AO equal OC and BO equal OD. That means AC and BD bisect each other. To prove. No construction, no plan. Proof. इसको लागि proof को लागि के गर्नु पर्यो त? Take two triangles, facts and reasons. Fact number 1 मा यो ट्रायंगल कङ्ग्रेट देखाउने. कसरी? एंगल साइड एंगलबाट कङ्ग्रेट देखाउने हुन्छ. इन ट्रायंगल ADO and triangle BCO. use angle side angle fact. पहिले एंगल देखो, यो एंगल र यो एंगल अल्टरनेट एंगल. एंगल ADO equal OBC. Angle OBC. Reason being alternate angles. Angle side AD equal BC, that is given. The opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. 3 number angle side. This angle equal this angle. DAO. Angle DAO equal angle BCO. Alternate angles. Now two triangles are congruent. Triangle ADO is congruent to triangle BCO. Reason angle side angle fact or axiom. When two triangles are congruent, then can you write AO equal OC? Yes. AO equal OC and DO equal BO. Numerically. Reason corresponding sides of the congruent triangles. QED. यसरी last मा QED लेख्ने. See, prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. ABCD is a parallelogram. AC and BD are diagonals. To prove AC and BD bisect each other. Fact. Take triangle ADO and BCO. Angle ADO equal angle OBC. Alternate angles. AD equal BC given. Angle DAO equal BCO. Alternate angle. from fact angle side angle two triangles ADO and BOC are congruent. So which two sides are equal? जुन angle equal छ यसको opposite angle र यसको opposite side. Angle को opposite side, side को opposite angle. Since this angle equal this angle, AO equal CO. This angle equal this angle. Therefore, DO equal BO, corresponding sides of the congruent triangle. In this way, you can prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. It means if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, it is a parallelogram. Parallelogram हो भने diagonals bisect हुन्छ. Diagonal bisect हुन्छ भने parallelogram हुन्छ. Theorem and converse. This was for today.